Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to draw the iconic BMW M logo, step by step. We will start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, draw a horizontal rectangle to define the logo's overall area. Then, divide this rectangle into 4 equal vertical sections. Next, lightly sketch a bold, italicized letter M in the rightmost of these 4 sections. Use light pencil lines for these initial steps. Now, let's add the distinctive M stripes. In the 3 left sections of your rectangle, draw 3 diagonal stripes. It is important that these stripes angle in the same direction as the main stroke of your letter M, creating a sense of unity. Each stripe should be roughly 1/3 the height of the M for accurate proportions. Keep your lines clean and consistent. With the shapes in place, it is time to add the iconic colors. The leftmost stripe should be colored a vibrant light blue, which represents the BMW brand itself. The middle stripe gets a rich dark blue, symbolizing the unique connection between BMW and motorsport. Finally, the rightmost stripe should be a bold red, signifying the pure passion of motorsport. These 3 colors are essential to the M identity. To complete your BMW M logo, carefully outline all the elements with a fine black pen to achieve crisp, defined edges. Once the ink is dry, gently erase any remaining pencil lines for a clean finish. For an extra touch, consider adding subtle shading or highlights to give your logo a 3-dimensional, polished appearance. Your detailed BMW M logo is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.